Scooby-Dooby-Doo, where are you? We got some work to do now. Scooby-Dooby-Doo, where are you? We need some help from you now. Come on, Scooby-Doo, I see you. You take us to godzilla. You're the me, 'cause I can see the way you shake and shiver. You know we got a mystery to solve, so Scooby-Doo, be ready for your act. Don't hold back. And Scooby-Doo, if you come through, you're gonna have yourself a Scooby snack. That's a fact. Scooby-Dooby-Doo, here are you. You're ready and you're willing. We can count on you, Scooby-Doo. I know we can't back feeling.
You hear that noise? That's
that
the
noise.
sound
What was it?
of. It's the sound of the hiccup ones. What's? Hey, I know this sound for a long time ago. It goes hic, boom. Oh, you hear that sound? Sounds making a lot of hearing that makes a lot of hearing. Hey, do you know that ears can help you listen to sounds?
What is making the hic, boom, sound?
That's one strange sound that we've heard before. It's the hic, boom, sound.
That's hard to know. But who do you think who made that hic, boom, sound?
A clue, a clue.
That's the sound that we've heard. A hic, boom, oh sound. I wonder who is making that hic, boom, oh.
Looks like we found our first clue. A hic, boom, oh sound. Where can we put the clue inside of?
Notebook.
That's right. We better start off by getting our handy-dandy notebooks. But wait a minute. We can't draw the hic, boom, oh sound. How about we draw this way to help us remember it?
How about we draw a speaker and lanes to help us remember the sound? That looks a sound to me.
Well, looks like we've started right off with the sound. Hic. Boom. I wonder who made the sound.
Well, looks like we've got another mystery to figure out who did make that hic. Boom. Sound.
Well, someone is making a strange sound, and I'm the only grown-up girl to find out who did that sound.
Oh my goodness. It's the Chinese girl Chun-Li.
Chun-Li. We've heard a strange sound. Hic. Boom. Oh.
You see, we saw a very strange sound and we found our first clue. It's a hiccup sound. It goes hic, boom,
But who do you think who is making that hic, boom, a sound?
How about we ask the map? He can find where the sound is coming from.
Oh, that will be a great friend to ask where the sound is coming from.
If there's a place you gotta go, I'm the one you need to know. I'm the map. I'm the map, I'm the map. If there's a place you gotta get, I can get you there, I bet. I'm the map. I'm the map, 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 I'm the map! Dora and Boots want to find out where the sound is coming from. Well, I know where the sound is coming from. It's coming from Yellow Valley. To get to Yellow Valley, first you need to go across the noisy river. Then go through the quiet forest. Shh. And that's how you get to Yellow Valley. So you tell Dora. River, forest, Yellow Valley. Say it with me. River, forest, Yellow Valley. River, forest, Yellow Valley. River, forest, Yellow Valley.
Oh, the sound is coming from Yellow Valley. But if we want to get there, we need to cross the noisy river, and sneak into the quiet forest, and we find them all, we'll head to Yellow Valley.
Oh. I see what it's a Goty. Well, first we need to go across the noisy river. Let's start walking.
Then across the Marathon, the children and Chun-Li have approached to the wildest water of all. It's the noisy river, the noisiest of all times. The water is flowing and the sounds are really high too, huh?
Whoa, the water is making some flowing sounds in the river.
Oh, and so does the sound too, right? Hick, boom. Oh. In order, and if you want, the children must be able to find a way to get across this noisy river as soon as they can. But children, have you met someone else like Katso from Dragonland, or someone else like that? But the two books are ruled by Goomba, Koopa, and the two toads that are lying around the river. On the other side of the noisy river, there's a boat that is standing right there on the other side of the grasslands. It's waiting for the children to wait to board on and get to the other side of the noisy river and try to get the next golden clue to figure out who made that hick, boom, oh sound. But other than that, the children saw the twin dragons, and from all the way from Dragonland, and they are Zack and Weezy. Zack and Weezy are grouped, stick together as one. Zack on one side and Weezy on the other side.
Zack and Weezy. Woohoo. We're on the other side of this river.
Oh. Scooby. Chun-Li. Children. We've heard you from the loud water noise.
Hey, you get to welcome me and Weezy at the same time. The water is making a flowing sound.
Welcome Zack and Weezy to the real world. Hey, we need to get to the other side of the noisy river. Do you two want to work together and help us get across?
Sure we can. We'll get you across and maybe we will give you the second clue to find who did made the sound.
We're coming for you, everyone. We'll take you across this river and get your clue for you. Here you go. Hop on in, my friends.
Nice work, you did together as a team member. The two-headed dragon are really good members of us.
Oh, thank you so much. Here's your second clue for figuring out the mystery to the character that made this sound.
Oh! Wow! Looks like a ball shape to me. So I guess this must be a ball shape inside of a piece of paper. Hey kids! Looks like you found another clue to solve the mystery of the hick, boom, old sound. So, you know what to do, children? You better put this in our handy dandy
notebooks. So let's draw the shape that we see.
For this shape, I'll use the blue crayon so we can remember what that is. There, we have a bull shape.
Wow, looks like you're almost there, huh, children? And Scooby and Chun-Li? Looks like you found the hiccup sound. Hic, boom, oh. And you found the bull shape. I wonder who made that hic, boom, oh sound that has to do with a hiccup. Hic, boom, oh, and a bull shape. Well, I think we better find our last gold clue to figure this out. Don't you, children? Yeah, so do I. Well, we better have 2 more places to go. So, next up, you Scooby and Chun-Li have to go to the quiet forest. Shh! Be very, very quiet. They were hunting rabbits around here.